Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. If you missed part 1, we covered why container trailer maintenance is essential. Now, let's get into the specifics. What key components need attention and how you can avoid costly breakdowns. Costly repairs versus preventative maintenance. A grease job today can prevent an axle replacement tomorrow. Reactive fixes cost more because they often involve emergency service calls with premium labor rates. Overnight parts shipping to avoid further delays. Secondary damage from neglecting the root problem. Compare that to routine upkeep. Scheduled inspections catch issues early, when they're cheap to fix. Bulk purchasing on filters, fluids, or belts cuts parts costs. Less wear and tear extends the trailer's lifespan by years. It's like changing your car's oil. Skip it to save a little now, then pay a lot for a new engine later. The math is simple. Consistent care saves money. Waiting for something to break? That's the most expensive maintenance plan out there. Best practices for maintaining container trailers. Keeping a container trailer in top shape isn't rocket science, it's about consistency. A little effort now can save you from costly repairs and unexpected breakdowns later. Here's how to stay ahead of wear and tear. Regular inspections and what to look for. Inspect your trailer every 10,000 miles or before long hauls, whichever comes first. A quick walk-around takes minutes but can catch problems before they leave you stranded. Focus on these high-priority areas. Tires. Check for uneven wear, cracks, or bulges. Pressure should match the manufacturer's recommendation. Brakes. Look for worn pads, leaking airlines, or rusted components. Listen for grinding noises when testing. Lights and wiring. Replace burnt-out bulbs and secure loose wires to avoid roadside violations. Frame and undercarriage. Scan for rust, especially around welds and joints. Poke suspicious spots with a screwdriver. Soft metal means trouble. Keep a checklist in the cab or saved on your phone. Missing one item could mean missing a critical flaw. Lubrication and cleaning. Dirt and friction are a trailer's worst enemies. Grease moving parts every 3,000 miles to prevent premature wear. Key spots to hit. Fifth wheel and sliding mechanisms to ensure smooth coupling and unloading. Hinges and door rollers on refrigerated or enclosed units. Suspension components like bushings and springs to reduce metal on metal grinding. Wash the trailer monthly, especially after winter trips or coastal hauls. Salt speeds up rust. Use a pressure washer to blast it off before it eats through the steel. Don't forget the undercarriage. Mud and debris trap moisture, accelerating corrosion. A clean trailer isn't just about looks, it's about longevity. Addressing minor issues before they escalate. A loose bolt today can mean a sheared axle tomorrow. Fix small problems immediately to avoid bigger ones. Common quick fixes that prevent disasters. Loose mounting hardware. Tighten any loose bolts on landing gear, doors, or suspension mounts. Minor leaks. Seal small cracks in air or hydraulic lines with tape as a temporary fix. Replace the line ASAP. Frayed straps or chains. Replace worn tie-downs before they snap and shift cargo mid-transit. Carry a basic repair kit. grease, spare fuses, duct tape, and a torque wrench. 10 minutes on a small issue can save hours and thousands down the road. The goal isn't perfection, it's catching problems while they're still cheap and easy to fix. The environmental and safety benefits of proper maintenance. Keeping container trailers in good shape does more than save money. It cuts emissions, burns less fuel, and makes roads safer for everyone. Think of it like tuning a car. When everything runs smoothly, you get better mileage and fewer breakdowns. Same goes for trailers. Fewer emissions, better fuel efficiency. A poorly maintained trailer fights against itself. Worn tires, misaligned axles, or dirty engines make the truck work harder, burning extra fuel and pumping out unnecessary exhaust. Here's how proper care helps. Tire pressure matters. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, dropping fuel efficiency. Keeping them properly inflated saves hundreds of gallons of diesel a year. Aerodynamic drag. Bent side panels or loose fairings disrupt airflow, forcing the engine to compensate. Fixing these cuts wind resistance. Clean engines. Regular oil changes and filter replacements keep the truck's engine running efficiently, reducing soot and CO2 emissions. A well-maintained trailer isn't just cheaper to run, it's greener. Preventing accidents and mechanical failures. A blown tire or stuck brake isn't just inconvenient, it's dangerous. Faulty equipment causes thousands of truck accidents yearly, many from neglect that could have been caught early. Key safety wins from regular upkeep. Brakes that work. Worn brake pads or leaking air lines mean longer stopping distances. Fresh components react faster in emergencies. Stable loads. Secure twist locks and intact flooring prevent cargo shifts that could tip a trailer mid-turn. Visibility. Burnt-out lights or dirty reflectors make it hard for other drivers to see you at night or in bad weather. Replacing them keeps everyone aware. A quick pre-trip inspection takes minutes but could prevent a highway disaster. Reducing waste and extending trailer life. Rust, cracks, and worn parts don't just risk breakdowns, they shorten a trailer's lifespan. Replacing a corroded frame early saves the cost and environmental toll of building a whole new trailer. Simple habits that stretch a trailer's years. Wash off road salt. It's a stealthy rust accelerator, especially in winter. A monthly rinse prevents deep corrosion. Lubricate moving parts. Friction wears down hinges, latches, and suspension components. Grease keeps them moving smoothly for years. Patch small damage. A cracked weld or dented panel seems minor but weakens the structure over time. Fix it now to avoid big repairs later. Put simply, maintenance isn't just about avoiding problems, it's about making every part of the trailer last as long as possible. Less waste, fewer replacements, and more miles between checkups. Maintaining container trailers isn't optional, it's the backbone of keeping goods moving, costs low, and drivers safe. Regular checks prevent breakdowns, extend trailer life, and reduce environmental impact. Ignoring small issues leads to bigger bills, unplanned downtime, and avoidable risks on the road. The best approach? Stick to a schedule. Inspect tires, brakes, and structural components often. Fix minor problems before they escalate. A little effort now saves headaches later. Ready to stay ahead? Start with a simple walk-around today. Your trailer, and your bottom line, will thank you. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.